Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do if you drop an earring or a ring or something like that down the bathroom sink here. And before we begin, you need to make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment. I have on a pair of nitrile gloves and safety goggles, and make sure that you take all safety precautions. You're also going to need a bucket to catch the water. This right here is the trap. So, you know, what happens when something like this, like an earring or a ring, goes down the sink is there's a possibility that it gets caught here in the trap, and that's what we're hoping happens. So, but when we disconnect that, it has water in there, so we need this bucket to be able to catch the water. And then once you're ready to begin, just make sure that the water is turned off from the sink. You do not want that running while you're doing this. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so we're going to undo this nut right here, and then once that's loosened up, there's one on the back of the trap as well, and so I'm going to loosen that one all the way up now, and you just want to hold on to the pipe with your other hand, because as soon as the other nut is loosened up, this will be fully disconnected. You can see the water starting to come out now into the bucket, so that's why it's important to have the bucket. And that blue stuff that you see there, that's like a plumber's putty that they use. And then I'm just going to empty the water out from the pipe and the trap here. And we're going to take a look inside, and I don't see anything in there. But, you know, this is potentially where you could have, you know, whatever was dropped down the sink, the earring or ring or whatever it was. And I'm not seeing anything in there now. So I looked up into the pipe there, and the earring was stuck up there near where the sink stopper is, so that's another possible spot where you could look. And I moved the sink stopper up and down gently like this, and then the earring just fell out right onto the bottom of the cabinet floor. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to reinstall this, and you just want to line up the top part of the pipe first, and then on the back part of the pipe where the blue plumber's putty is on the threading, there's still plenty of it, and it's still flexible, so there's no need for me to reapply any. And you just want to make sure that you tighten that nut up as tight as possible by hand and make sure that it's completely secured. And that's what I'm doing now. And then once you've verified that it's completely secured, you just want to make sure that, you know, the drain pipe and the top part of the pipe that you're reattaching are fitted in there correctly. And then you can tighten that nut down all the way hand tight as well. Okay, so with the bucket still in place below the sink, the next thing we want to do is turn the water on and just verify that there are no leaks. You know, reconnecting all this stuff, we want to make sure that there are absolutely no water leaks. You want to check the top of the pipe where those two pipes connect and make sure that there's no water leaks. And then you want to check the back of the pipe where those two pipes connect and make sure that there's no water leaks. And once you verify that there are no water leaks coming from anywhere, you can turn off the water to the sink. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.